Oh, snap. Damn. Damn, she hot? No.
She is fucking hot.
I know somebody named Hot, so that's who I'm fucking. No. Making fun of your laugh. No, stop. Seriously, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
This girl's aggressive.
This girl's aggressive. Leave me alone. I'm serious. I'm trying to make. Stop! Don't do that. Seriously, that's not what I want you doing.
You got a big smile on your face.
I'm angry. I'm angry. Arrgh! That's anger. No, you're not supposed to be in the video. Not even half of you. Not even part of you. Not even your finger.
My finger, but it's a worm.
It's a worm. I didn't know you were some kind of extraterrestrial. Is that why your finger goes up your ass a little bit easier?
Yeah, you know it.
Is that why your hands are always brown?
They're a little brown. Like
Oh, you got me. You got me. Well, then, how does that explain your bad breath? Do you stick your fingers in your mouth?
Yeah, that's where you whack off. You know that? Some
So
fingers in the butt and then some in the mouth.
You know how gross that would be? Some guy who sticks his hand. It's like castrating a cow. You stick your hand up the cow's ass with a glove on your hand. You castrate the cow. You take the shit out of the cow's ass. It was on Jackass.
Really?
Jackass.
Hey.
Yeah.
It's a bad way to castrate a cow. I feel really bad for that cow.
It's no different than you sticking your hand up your ass and eating your own shit.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be castrated.
Yeah, but you're eating your own shit. You know what he does? He shits like sausages so that he can stick it on a bun and eat it later.
Yum yum.
I don't know how you can be so excited about some shit. I don't know anybody who's excited to talk about shit. Especially you. You're like, shit.
Yum yum.
Patent pending. It's patent pending, folks. Get your free shit now.
Shit sandwiches.
Sloppy Joes.
You wanna kiss me?
No, Sloppy Joes. Sloppy Joes. Nice, pureed shit. Shit sorbet. You love shit.
That's fucking disgusting.
You stick the turds in a blender and blend it up. And then you stick it in a cup and you drink it like a smoothie. Isn't that gag worthy? I don't eat shit. He does.
How much money would it take for you to do that?
I would not any amount of money.
$10 billion.
I would never eat my own shit for $10 billion.
I would.
I think there was a girl on YouTube who stuck her hand in a toilet and ate shit.
Yeah, that wouldn't surprise me.
Oh, it's so gross.
Wouldn't surprise me at all.
Yeah, it doesn't surprise me that you eat shit either.
Yum yum.
Is that why your eyes are so brown?
Your eyes are brown too. I guess we're both full of shit.
I'm not full of shit. I have beautiful brown eyes, not shit brown eyes. Thank you very much.
My eyes are black.
It's because you stuck shit in your eyes.
My shit isn't black.
What color is your shit? Is it brown or Ew, he's got moldy shit over here. So it's from like curdly chunky milk he's been drinking for breakfast. It's so chunky you can turn it into cottage cheese.
Smells like your feet.
No. Did you just say that? Apparently, my feet smell like cottage cheese. The last time I checked, I didn't bath in cottage cheese.
No, just sour milk and fucking baby powder.
I take my leftover milk that's sour and old and moldy, and I stick it in a tub and I bath in it.
But just your toes.
Just my toes. Apparently, just my toes.
The rest smells like baby powder.
Okay, this is weird, but like my toes apparently smell like cottage cheese, and the rest of my feet smell like baby powder.
And then her heels smell like rubber.
And apparently he says my heels smell like rubber.
that.